Hello, hello, Tatum here. Thank you for joining me. I have a short foam rolling session here. It's going to create some jolly joints from our shoulder to our wrist for that next upper body workout that you have. Now let's get to it. All right, we're going to start with that upper back, the thoracic spine. We're going to stay off of the neck and we want to stay above the rib cage, okay? So I don't want you to roll below the rib cage. You're going to be on your spine, and I don't want you to go up into your neck because of all the nerves that run through our neck, and it's just very sensitive and delicate, so stay off of that. But around the shoulder blades is where we want to focus today. We can hold our head here and offer support so we don't have any strain in the neck. We can also come here onto our shoulder and hold onto our shoulders to round out. That just pushes some of the muscles out there and helps us get on there a little bit more. I hope this mic is working okay for you. Here we go. Just roll and breathe, roll and breathe. A lot of people want to come in here and aggressively roll all around. We really don't want to, we don't have to do that, I want to say. If you want to, you can. But we're just going to roll gently. We might hold it in a spot. Sometimes I kind of shift side to side just to massage a little bit here. The next thing we're going to do is just kind of stretch out. I'm going to have you lay down on your side, okay? And then we're just going to push the foam roller out and give it a little reach, okay, with that shoulder there. And then bring it back in. Just short little movements here, reaching out and back in. I hope you can see that well from the camera. And I want an exhale. As you reach, inhale. As you bring it in, exhale. And I'm not counting us down into this, not like a workout. Just want you to follow me and keep going. Let's go to the other side. Same thing, team. You can really relax and lay down here and just roll out and in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Really reach. Oh, I feel so good. Good. In and out. Again, we're just going to be moving from one place to the next here. We're going up for our chest here real quick. 3, 2, and 1. I did count you out of that one, though. All right, we're going to go into the chest here. I like a ball just real quick. You could use a ball. I love this orb ball where I lay down on it. If you want a link to that, I'll try to remember to put it in the description. You can also use a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball and use some pressure on the chest here. Let's use our foam roller since I think a lot of us will have access to just a foam roller. So you're going to put this in the pocket of your chest right there, underneath the shoulder, okay? So not on top of the shoulder, not in the armpit, but in that little fleshy pocket there where your pec minor is. And we're just gonna kind of get on top of it and offer pressure. To add more pressure, we can move here to kind of massage it. We can lift and hold. You wanna find a spot where you feel it the most and stay there. I have this foam roller at an angle, okay? And I'm just gonna push my body up onto it to find a spot. So I feel it here, so I'm gonna kind of hold here. You can keep that hand down, all right? And then we're gonna switch it to the other side, same thing. Quick little ones. Again, once you have this down, you can spend as much time as you want here. So angle that foam roller in there, not in your armpit, not over the shoulder joint, in that little pocket. Ooh, the side is sore. Notice whether you feel more tender spots on one side or the other. You're gonna spend more time on it, okay? You might wanna just, if you're in a hurry before an upper body workout, you might just work on the things that need it once you figure that out. It might just be your right side, might be both, but spend a little more time there. Ooh. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna stretch here, okay, that chest. So I'm gonna have you use your foam roller. We're gonna make a 90-degree bend. My forearm is on the roller, and I'm just gonna let my chest fall down a little bit here, okay, pushing the hips back. You don't have to force this. It doesn't have to be painful. It might be uncomfortable because we're tight, and that's okay. I want you to breathe. And normally I hold these for quite a bit of time, 20 to 30 seconds. We are kind of going through this quickly today, just learning and trying, experimenting here to see how we feel in that upper body workout. 90-degree bend here and down. And it doesn't even have to be an upper body. It could be a total body. It might just be that you're having some tightness or some movement, mobility issues around your shoulder, elbow, whatever it might be. So you want to practice these before you show up. We're breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna go into our lats, okay? So we're gonna have to roll back on the back side a little bit. That's that muscle right here. You can grab it, okay? It wraps around. We're gonna get in that. I don't want you to be in the armpit. I want you to be back this way, so we're gonna tilt back a little bit. So you're lay down on your side, put it under the armpit, and then you're just gonna roll back a little bit, okay? So here we go. Let's go ahead and roll out that lat. I don't have to roll a lot. Again, the idea is to roll, soften the tissue, but then to find those spots that are tender and just sit on them. All right, again, a lot of times people wanna just roll, roll, roll. Do it for a little bit, but then find those spots and spend time on them. And just laying on my lat is enough. If it's not enough for you, you can pick this arm up. Ooh, and move it around and lower. Oh, breathe, okay? You don't want to feel that much pain. All right, that's halfway. We're gonna go to the other side. Again, you can spend more time on this as you get familiar with these exercises. Oh, all right, other lat, still tender. I'm a little sore as well from a workout yesterday, but again, you can move this arm to kind of move around on it and loosen up, but you can also just hold if you need to. So find those spots and just hold. All right, we're gonna stretch them now, okay? So we're gonna use our foam roller again, so great. We're gonna put that roller out in front. Instead of the forearm at a 90-degree bend, it's a straight arm thumbs up, okay? And we're gonna shoot our hips back and get into that lat. I'm gonna put my hand right up on there instead of the forearm. Thumbs up, push the hips back, and you're gonna feel that stretch. You can even massage it a little bit more if you want, but underneath the armpit there. And we're just breathing. All right, let's switch that other side, same thing. Hand on the foam roller, thumb up, shoot the hips back, start to drop so you feel that stretch in the lat. There are many ways to stretch. We'll be playing around with that for a while, but these are kind of my favorite with our foam roller. This is a short foam roller. We can do this now. Ooh, all right, that feels good. Notice those tightnesses, make note of that, where you need to spend more time on it. If you're tight, you're gonna start to see issues, maybe with mobility in the shoulder joint when we go overhead and do some movements. So it's important to have that, and it's gonna feel better too, and you're gonna be stronger for it. All right, this one we're gonna do our bicep. All right, and I'm just gonna use my fingers here. You can go side to side with that hand. You just kind of wanna go across the muscle here. You can use your thumb if you want and go across too, or just kind of circular motions, whatever feels good. We're just gonna work it out as well, loosening all these muscles. Let's go ahead and do the other one as well. Again, you can go back and forth if that feels good. You could use a little lotion so it moves better now. I have a gun too, a massage gun you can use, but again, lots of nerves running through the biceps. So if you feel something nervy, kind of numbing in your fingers, stop, okay? Find a different spot to work on. Don't keep working through that. That's not what you want, all right? All right, we're gonna stretch that bicep, very similar to what we did with the chest and the lat using the foam roller, but we're gonna go out to the side now. So you're gonna make a little T with your arm here, thumb is up, and we're just gonna fall down here into that biceps. Right out in front. You can use a ball here too, a stability ball for this. I do a lot at the gym with my clients. All right, good. Let's switch to the other side. Same thing. Arm out to the side like a T, thumbs up. Just come on down, get that biceps to stretch a little here for you. So with each foam roll, each time we foam roll a section, we want to also, our muscle, we want to give it a good stretch. All right, I also want to go through our forearm real quick. You can move, just kind of use your thumb on this. If you want, you could also go through here a little bit and use the foam roller, and that feels really good as well with some pressure, okay? So up to you, but I'm just going to use my hand here. And then let's go to the other side, same thing, just give it a little bit of pressure, a little bit of massage, loosening it up as well. My favorite stretch for our forearms is going to be to grab the pinky and the ring finger first, Give it a stretch, then move to the middle finger and the ring finger, your pointer and middle, and then give it a full stretch back. Let's do the other side same way. Pinky ring, ring and middle, middle pointer, stretch all the way back here. Woo. And then let's bring those fingers up and back. And the other side. All right, that preps you and gets you ready for your upper body workout. So if you want to find one to do today, that's great. Also visit this when you're doing a full body, especially if you're noticing some lack of mobility and getting those arms overhead maybe a little bit, or a little bit of stiffness in the shoulder and some issues. But if there is pain, please see a doctor, and I'll see you at that workout, okay? Bye-bye.